All right, today we're talking about something very important, how men think and how men are. And essentially, the ego that all men have, that we all share, no matter what, is about this. So let's go ahead and get into this informative series that you might like, especially if you're single. So let's go ahead and get into this on why you might not be attracting women. There are 5 reasons most men actually overlook. Today we have a pretty delicate topic, and this topic is because there's so much information out there, and I feel like everyone feels like they have the answers. And I feel like, for me, it's not having the answers, but I feel like I'm not trying to take advantage of anyone's weakness. So that is the difference between my reasoning of making this video versus other reasons that other people make these type of videos. And I feel like I just want to give you guys a little bit more information regarding this topic because I've been there. I've been the person who has evolved himself into a man who practiced a lot of things that I'm talking about and also did a lot of work to find himself to become a better man. And I feel like instead of trying to just force your way through this breakthrough, there has to be a sense of acceptance of yourself and also a lot of accountability. So why you might not be attracting women. I know this first one might sound crazy, but your confidence might actually be too high. Now, men with low confidence will hear that and think, how is that even possible? But the reality is that there's a fine line between confidence and cockiness. When you're overly confident, you can come off as brash, arrogant, or like you're too good for anyone. And here's the thing, when you believe nothing could be wrong with you, that's usually the biggest problem. You got to stay humble, keep your feet on the ground, and remember, it's not about being better than anyone else. It's about giving people a good experience when they interact with you. That goes for women, coworkers, even your barista at your local coffee shop. Being pleasant pays off. Reason number 2, not enough confidence. On the flip side, maybe you don't have enough confidence. Maybe you're too shy. Maybe you feel like you're not good enough. Confidence isn't about what other people tell you. It's about what you believe about yourself. If you don't believe you're worth it, why would anyone else? Pay attention to how you feel about yourself and start building habits that make you proud of who you are, because attraction really starts from within. The 3rd reason, you're not being serious enough. Maybe you give off that vibe that you don't really care, that you're open to someone liking you, but not open to actually liking them back. Remember that relationships are not one-sided. They require openness, effort, and most importantly, reciprocity. If you're closed off emotionally, women will feel it and they'll pull away. And honestly, being open emotionally isn't about you crying to women or feeling like a weak man or feeling like, you can't do something for yourself, but it's more about knowing that you could control your desire, knowing that you can control yourself, knowing you can control your temper, and knowing all these things that sometimes we lack to even really notice about ourselves. And if someone tells us this, it's about this person's just a hater, this person doesn't like me. Honestly, it's about yourself. And that's the most important thing you got to remember. Reason number 4 is lack of self-awareness in your presentation. And no, this doesn't mean you have to look like a model, but grooming, hygiene, posture, and style all matter. If you don't take care of yourself, you're communicating neglect before you even say a word. A man who respects himself in the way he presents, whether that's clean nails, polished shoes, or a shirt that actually fits, sends the message that he's capable of respecting others as well. You could be confident, you could be well-dressed, and even extremely attractive. But if you don't know how to listen, you'll lose people so fast. Too many men make conversations one-sided, either only talking about themselves or shutting down entirely. Attraction is built through curiosity. Ask thoughtful questions, listen actively, show genuine interest. And honestly, that's what turns an interaction into a connection. So let's recap the 5 overlooked reasons you might not be attracting women, which are overconfidence that turns into arrogance, a lack of self-confidence in yourself, not being serious enough, poor self-presentation, and weak communication skills. And at the end of the day, it's not about perfection. Remember that it's about awareness, because once you see the patterns clearly, you can absolutely change them. Remember, being pleasant, humble, and genuine, that's what really attracts people. So if this gave you something to think about, make sure that you subscribe for more timeless conversations, not just about style, but about becoming a better man overall. If you guys want some more daily dose of by Carlos Roberto, stop at my Instagram at by Carlos Roberto. If you guys want to know more about sartorial style, coffee break every week. And also on the blog, you'll find a lot of images. You'll find a lot of stuff that you could digest at your own time. And also, just click Pinterest and they'll give you a lot of examples of the topic or the photo imagery that you click on. So yeah, thank you so much. Don't forget to put style on everything. I'll see you guys soon. Peace out. Let me clean this thing.